We guide you through how to fix iPhone not ringing for incoming calls. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure the ring or silent switch on the side of your iPhone is not set to silent. If you see an orange line, switch back so your phone can ring. Next, press the volume up button to increase the ringer volume. Then go to settings, tap sounds and haptics, and make sure the ringer and alert slider is turned up. After that, check if focus mode or do not disturb is enabled by opening settings and tapping focus. If it's on, turn it off so calls can come through normally. Another important setting to check is silence unknown callers. Go to settings, tap on, then make sure silence unknown callers is turned off if you want calls from numbers not in your contacts to ring. You should also check Bluetooth because if your iPhone is connected to headphones or speaker, the ringtone might play there instead. Just turn Bluetooth off temporarily in the settings to test it. And finally, restart your iPhone to refresh the system, which can fix small software glitches that stop calls from ringing. After trying these steps, ask someone to call your number to confirm your iPhone ringtone is working again and that incoming calls are now ringing properly.